right, here's the new fire starting technique. Introducing some oxygen to it. He's got the cordless air pump.
Say when.
This is what happens when Nate says, I have an idea.
Yes.
I have an idea.
Stoke it up. Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my God.
All right.
That does the trick.
Might as well have put gas on that.
Yeah. That's brilliant. All right, Dwayne has his Camp Chef oven out, doing up biscuits and gravy. Look at that. The biscuits are looking nice too. This thing works pretty good. It's up at what, 350?
Yeah, something like that.
With them biscuits in there. Oh, it's almost on. Ripped open one of those biscuits, nice and brown. And try out some of this sausage gravy. Oh, look at that. Biscuits and gravy. It's a paddle day. We're on the Sevier River here in central Utah. Let's get moving. Gunner! There's Nate with his Captain Gunner, manning the ship. Looking pretty sharp there, Gunner.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Paddling down the Sevier River, or floating more or less. Perfect day.
Bumper boats. Just 5 short years ago, I felt I was trapped, confined to the city I grew up in. My material possessions owned me, an ever-increasing need to make more and more money to feel success, wealth, and to live up to the standards society suggests. It was all an illusion. So I took a stand. I simplified my so-called needs and hit the road, seeking solitude, a deeper connection with my natural world, and the adventure of walking an undefined path. I found peace. I found a new way to live. I found people I connected with, people I related with more than ever before. This new life was becoming my reality, and I found myself living my dreams. As this new path unfolds, I find that life has a whole new meaning. No longer living for the benefit of economy and feeding the insatiable machine, my spirits are renewed. My love for the natural world grows more and more every day. Leaving behind a love for money and material wealth, I have found new ways to appreciate and enjoy the world around me. As I live in the moment, I replace desires with experiences. Contentment replaces stress. Faith and hope dissolves fears. Opportunities present themselves, and my needs are satisfied. Beauty is ever present. Follow your dreams, and a new life will unfold before you. So here I am, living the life of a nomad, traversing the countryside as I seek weather that suits me, exploring new places in new ways that I could never find the time to do so before. meandering my way through an ever-changing terrain, making new friends along the way. We make the best of each day, sharing old memories and making new ones to look back upon in the coming days. Life is an adventure, a precious opportunity, an experience to never be taken for granted, a delicate balance of taking responsibility and seizing spontaneity. Life is too short to not be doing what you love, and too long to let the days just waste away. We're not here for a long time, we're here for a good time. Keep the ones you love and the ones that bring you joy close to you, for this truly is the golden age. A time to connect, a time to inspire, a time to love, and a time to thrive. Keep the fires of your passions alive. Keep them burning throughout the day and throughout the night. Love will prevail over hate. The greater good will conquer evil and continue to fight the good fight. Well, today is a park the van day. Actually, a couple days. We're going to do a little backpacking down a nice trail. It's about 3.6 miles. We're going to do about 1,800 feet of elevation gain and end up at a couple lakes at the base of a mountain here in Colorado. Beautiful day for it. I think it's the mid-70s. Clear blue skies. So far, so good. Just keeps getting more and more beautiful. So peaceful out here. There's a small creek running behind me here, going down the mountain. And we are almost at our destination. Here we are, and it is just fantastic up here. The lake is pretty much frozen over, just breaking through in a few spots. There are actually numbered campsites up here, but we're not going to see the numbers because there's still plenty of snow. So we'll just find a nice level spot, probably camp on snow unless we can find a dry patch, and just enjoy the peace and quiet up here. We're like the only ones up here. Just beautiful. Okay, this is our little camp setup here. This is my little two-person tent. And gonna get ready to do some dinner here. Just using a little jet boil stove. And gonna probably heat up this Indian meal that I got from Trader Joe's. You can boil it in the pouch or just dump it in the pan. I'm gonna dump it in the pan. I've got some rice too, pre-cooked rice. I'm gonna mix with it and heat up and call that dinner. Been very peaceful here, pretty much no one else. One day hiker came up and hung out by the lake and took off a little while ago, so it is just super peaceful and quiet out here. We did find a little piece of dirt to pitch the tent, so we didn't have to pitch it in the snow, so that's working out. Little shot inside the tent there. Using down sleeping bags. It's not supposed to get that cold, even though there's quite a bit of snow on the ground. It was like 65 today. I think it's only going to drop down to about 45 tonight. This is where I meant to be. Here. No walls, no buildings, and no traffic to hide what's really around us. This planet finds its own balance. I join into this process and strive to find my own balance as well. This is our natural home. Let's treat it with the care and respect that it deserves. Nature is benign. It just is. It's up to us to find our own peace and live in harmony with this natural world. In this digital age, where information is at our fingertips, let's remember our most important duty here, to care for each other and to care for our natural home. We are only guests here.